Hey, so if you just installed the Booking.com app and want to learn how to use it for hotels, flights, and travel bookings, yeah, this guide will walk you through everything step by step in 2026. First, download the Booking.com app from the App Store or Google Play Store, then open it. Now sign into your Booking.com account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Use the search bar to enter your destination, hotel name, or city. Choose your check-in and check-out dates, then select guests and rooms. The app will now show hotels, apartments, and travel stays available for your trip. Use filters like price, rating, breakfast included, or map view to find better options faster. Always check guest reviews, hotel ratings, and photos before booking. Select your room, enter your details, and confirm the reservation. You can also manage bookings, cancellations, and travel details directly from the app. And yeah, that's it. That's how you use the Booking.com app to manage hotels and travel bookings easily.